Supista Project Management System. This video tutorial is about Supista AI with ChatGPT MCP integration or Supista MCP. Organizations today generate vast amount of operational data across projects, tasks, budget, inventory, teams, expenses, and whatnot. While this information is readily available within an ERP system, finding the right information often requires navigating through multiple modules, applying filters, opening reports, or understanding where the data resides. Similarly, creating new projects, assigning resources, updating records, or analyzing business performance typically involves several manual steps. What if you could simply ask your ERP questions in plain English and receive instant answers, or even perform actions without navigating through multiple screens? That's exactly what Supista AI, powered by ChatGPT through Model Context Protocol or MCP, enables. With this integration, ChatGPT securely connects with your Supista ERP, allowing you to retrieve business information, analyze data, perform ERP operation, and receive intelligent recommendation all through natural conversation. Let us see how it works. First of all, what is Supista MCP? Supista MCP acts as a secure bridge between ChatGPT and your Supista ERP. Instead of manually searching through modules, ChatGPT can understand your request, communicate with Supista, retrieve the required business information, and even perform supported ERP actions on your behalf. Before getting started, ensure that your organization's Supista MCP server has already been configured. Once the connection is available, open ChatGPT, click the plus button in the message composer. From the available tools, select Supista MCP. Once selected, ChatGPT connects to your organization's Supista environment and can begin interacting with your ERP data. From this point onwards, simply type your request naturally. There is no need to learn commands or navigate through menus. Let's begin with a simple question. As you can see, within seconds, ChatGPT retrieves the information directly from Supista and presents it in a structured format. We could also ask multiple questions. For example, let us first confirm what the ChatGPT just shared with us. As you can see, when we asked for the project records, it showed us complete 6 projects. When I go back to my Supesta ERP, as I can see, there are a total of 6 projects. Similar is the case for the task log report. Now, Supista MCP doesn't just retrieve list, it also explains individual records. For example, let me just select, um, let us select project Green Heights. Here, as you can see, ChatGPT presents information such as project overview, the objective, the milestones, the budget, observation, progress, team, remarks, and an overall snapshot. This provides stakeholder with a complete project overview within seconds without any manual intervention. Supista MCP also supports business operations, not just information retrieval. For example, we can simply type as you can see, ChatGPT provides us with the basic assistance and it directly creates the project in Supista. Let us confirm. Here, if we go back to project, as you can see, it is currently being refreshed. Now, now, as you can see, when we scroll further, you can see here project name Metro Station Phase 2 has been created. Although we would need to fill all of the relevant details, as in my prompt, I just entered the project name and not anything else. If you enter all of the relevant details like project code, type name, department, project description, it will create completely relevant project for you. Similarly, you can create other supported records through simple conversation instead of manually navigating the ERP. One of the biggest advantage of combining ChatGPT with Supista is Intelligent Business Assistant. Instead of only showing raw information, ChatGPT can analyze ERP and provide meaningful recommendation. For example, whatever the prompt you enter, ChatGPT reviews the information and highlights possible reason, for example, such as delayed tasks, pending approvals, fishy log records, or budget issues. You could ask various questions like suggest how I can improve project completion, which resource appears overloaded, which inventory item should be reordered, identify WBS with unusually high expense, summarize the key risk across all the ongoing projects. Rather than manually analyzing multiple dashboards, ChatGPT converts ARP data into actionable business insights, as you can see right now on my screen. As you can see here, I asked for any issue in my log report, and here ChatGPT has highlighted the issues. For example, the first one we have is that of a work log being for almost 46 continuous hours. It also highlights the possible causes, which can simply be that user simply forgot to stop the timer. Then it is also providing us with recommendations like to implement an idle timer policy. Then, as we can see, it has highlighted another outlier like many micrologs, etc.